This video will show you how to copy material from one course to another. So once you log into PAWS, you need to figure out where the material is coming from. So we're going to click on View All Courses. And I remember teaching this course last fall, so I am looking for, let's see here. There we go. Biology 2010-101, Fall Term 2017. Now, I'm going to write this down, Biology 2010-101, and the term 2017-80, 80 being for fall term. So once I have written that material down, now I go into the master copy or the course where I want to copy that material. And let me find that. And here, I'm going to put it in a master copy. Now, wherever it's going to, if you're copying everything from one course into another course, you need to make sure that the course that it is going into is empty of everything. Otherwise, you can get duplications. So, this is a master copy that is new. It's never been used before. But if you have used your master copy before and you want to update it with material from a previous semester, like you taught it in, summer 2018, and you made some changes through the course or through the term, and you want to use that in the future, you want to go and clean out everything from the master copy, and there are videos on how to delete all the material from each tool. But we are going in like this is a clean slate. Nothing has ever been done put into this master copy. So once you're in the course where you want the material to be placed, you're going to go to Course Admin, and from the Site Resources area, you're going to select Import, Export, Copy Components. And from here you have some choices, but the one to get material from one course into another course, whether it's a master copy or an active course that's going to have students, you're going to select the very first option. It's already selected for you. Make sure that there's a dot here, and then you're going to go down to this button, Search for Offerings. Now we need to go and let the system know where that material is coming from. So once this window opens, you remember at the beginning, we're like, where's this material come from? We wrote down the course number and section, we wrote down the term, and this is where you're going to type that in. Biology 2010-101 space 2017-80. This is one way to do it. Also, you can, if you know the CRN, you can type the CRN in 82794. So we're typing in the CRN. You can click on the search icon, and here it is, Biology 2010-101, Fall Term 2017. And again, we're going to do it this way also, Biology 2010-101, 2017, 80. Click the search icon. You're going to get the same results. So two ways to look for that same course. And once you are very certain that this is where the material is coming from, you're going to select it and then go down to Add Selected. It's going to refresh the page, and there, Biology 2010-101, letting you know this is where the material is coming from. We want to include everything from that course. Next, you're going to go down to Select Components. And we're going to do this instead of copy all components because we don't want the calendar. The calendar may have some old material from, semester, from semester, and it's all accumulated in there, and we want to start fresh. So we don't want to copy the calendar, so we're going to select components. And this lets us break it down so that, right now there is no calendar option. So if there was a calendar, you can make sure that that is not selected. We're going to select all components, and then you can deselect what you do not want copied over. And one of those things is calendar. You may have had attendance from 2 semesters ago, 3 semesters ago. We don't want that. You may want to start fresh, so we would unselect the attendance. Maybe we don't want these announcements, so we could unselect that. That would make sure that the announcements do not copy over. So you would select all and then deselect everything you do not want copied over. Maybe there are quizzes or grades. Maybe there's questions that you only want specific questions. So instead of copying all, we would then select individual items to copy. And then when we go to continue, because we wanted to select certain things from the question library, it will give you an option here to select just specific things that you want to copy from the question library. So you can select everything, or you can go down to specific things. And once you've selected what you want to copy over, we're just going to go ahead and select everything. You would next click on continue. And this gives you a confirmation. Are you sure this is what you want to copy over? And we do. There's also this new item here, offset dates. We're going to cover that in an individual video just for this. So for now, we're just going to go with the material. I have copied everything or selected everything that I want to copy. Here is where I wanted to pick and choose what I wanted to copy from the question libraries. If I just selected 10 things, it would say you selected 10 of 25 items. But I've went ahead and selected everything, so you see 25 of 25. So now we've confirmed, yes, this is what I want to copy over. Now we go down and select Finish. And now, as you can see, there's a progress bar, and it is copying over everything from that fall course into the master copy. And this will take a few minutes depending on how much material is being copied over. Look at that, it's already done. Checkbox or a check mark means everything copied over perfectly. If you get an exclamation point, you can click on the exclamation point, and just like this, it would give you a history of what's been copied, what didn't copy over. And if you need assistance, if you get a exclamation point, you can contact the digital learning department, and we can assist you with what went wrong, what material didn't get copied over, and see if we can get that material copied over for you. So we're just going to now go to the course homepage by selecting the course title. And if you remember, when we were selecting what we wanted to copy and not copy, we deselected announcements. So the announcements that were in that fall course did not copy over, so there is nothing here in the announcements area. Let's go over to content. You can see we have the new getting started area, the module. So you can just go through each tool to make sure that everything is there. And if not, you can go back and do the process again, but select specific things. Or if you need assistance at this point, if something didn't copy over that you thought should have copied over, just get a hold of Digital Learning and we will assist you with this. And that is how you copy material from one course into another course. Thanks.